ito sa ating second game for tonight. Between, of course, placing po tayo dito. Between Jana's Gourmet, black and white and green combination versus the colorful version po ng Qatar Sublimated Sportswear. And of course, congratulations for earlier for clinching the first semi-final seat po sa larong ito. Congratulations po, and also with Akshay Company, congratulations. Also, congratulations to California team for clinching the first semi-final seat. Congratulations po sa Asian team po for giving a gallant stand. And congrats po sa quarterfinals po ng Alianza and Friend. Welcome muli po tayo yun sa ating laro. Second game for tonight. Okay, both white team po tayo. Isang white na makulay, isang white at green. Between and of course, nandiyan po ang Qatar Sublimated.
First round.
Busy ako pare. Busy ako pare. Okay, dapat tayo. Busy rin. Punta ka na kasi dun. Nakuway ko. Okay, second game for tonight now. Okay, dito po ang ating second game for tonight po between Qatar Sublimination and Jana's Gourmet. Okay, both teams are playing white. Isang white and green combination, that's Jana's Gourmet. And white and colorful combination, yan po ang Qatar Sublimination Sportswear. Okay, Bote versus Velasco, pops up, ayun na, nakuha ni Darual ni Duran. Ako niya, ako sa bola. Mendoza, Rote, power move, Lopez, Bacala, yes, Patayaw, again, Patayaw, dalaw sila, Patayaw, iipit ang konti, Mendoza, binabantayan, Mendoza, pasa, Mendoza, nice, Pasabir, Patikin, kinuluwa, mukit pa. Nice rebound by number 8. Number 8, nice rebound. Bautista. Wala pa. Rote, Patayaw, Mendoza for 3. Look. Again, one more time, Mendoza. Patayaw. Bautista, malakas. Rebound. Carbonell 2 points and 1 play. Carbonell shooting for the bonus free throw. This is now for the placing. If Jana's Gourmet wins it, they will cement their place as second and clinching the semifinals, clinching the double positive advantage for the quarterfinals matchup. Velasco 2 points. 2 points Velasco. Bautista, Rote, Palpal, block party by Velasco. And Patigin! No good. Bautista, Patayaw, power move. Patayaw, silalim, Novitz, Rote, no good. Bautista, wala. Mendoza, stripped away. RG1, no. Patigin, 2 points. Patigin, 2 points. Patayaw. Nice one, Bector Brunel. Wala. Rebound. Velasco. Rebound. Now, patigil. Penetrating move. Wala. Foul. Sa likod. Jersey number 16. Called for a foul. Called for a foul. Patigil for the inbound. Inbounding si Patigil to Velasco. Pops up. Ako. 2 points Velasco. Blocker na. Shooter pa. Okay. Bautista. Rote. Dako na wala bola. Still completed. Patigin against Mendoza. Nakalusot ng konti. Lumusot nga. Lorena nandiyan na rin. And Patigin, no. Driving strong. 2 points. Patigin 2 points. Walang takot na Patigin. Gusto second restaurant. Yes sir. Hindi ko nila sir. Ferdinand Sots watching. Rote, power move. Defense. Pops up. Back. Look. Lorena, no, stolen. Padayaw. 2 points. No good. Rebound, Lorena. No. Acuña. Back to back. Field goal signing Acuña. Bautista. Rote. Power move. Blocked again. Swipe. Block. Actually, Velasco na committed na 3 blocks already. I think so. Looks like we have a block party again here. Velasco. Lorena. Power move. Look. Rebound. Velasco. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound. Padayaw. 5 minutes to score remaining. Bautista. Nagmamadali. Bautista against Lorena. Kick pass mo. Mendoza. Side second. Wala. Swept away. No foul. Acuña. Pinasa pa. Carbonell. 2 points. Loren. Okay, change player po tayo. Okay, 5-11 remaining. 10-9 ang score po natin. Laman po ang Giannis Gomena. Kudos. Congratulations to earlier. To Alcorna for clinching the first semi-final seat. And also kudos din po sa Ayesa for giving a great ball game. Yan. And Dilacruz. Wala. Rebound. Ilyam. No. Dakua. That's nice block by TV. Tagyam is in. Another center. Meron ka ng may tagyam ka na, may Velasco ka pa. Twin turbo. Twin towers na ka, nandiyan pa rin. Twin tower, tagyam, Velasco combination. No! Okay. Pesarido, FNF combination, FNF. Tagyam. Oy! Tagyam, traveling violation. Balik tayo to Eliang. So Mr. Sabado. Eto na. Felipe, pops up. 2 points Felipe. Felipe, 2 points, 10-11. Change paper po tayo nyo. Now, QSSW na ulit. Now, by 1 point. Then Cruz. Cruz again. Ito po malakas. Nagyang. Stolen away. Stolen. Sabado, Felipe 2 points. Felipe 2 points. Aaron de la Cruz. Piwi. Pahape Sarillo. Papa. Pesarillo 2 points, 3:08 remaining. 3:08 remaining po sa ating first quarter action. Doktor. William, pops up. No good. Rebound. Aaron de la Cruz. The demolition man. Aaron de la Cruz again. Aaron pops up. Third step. 2 points. Sabado. Uy! Pops up. Bautista. No good. Rebound. Chini. Kick pass. Pesarillo. 2 points. Time out. Kata sublimation. The score is 6-13. Lamang ulit po ang kata sublimation.
Remaining time to release at 21 seconds. We should score 13-16.
If Giannis Gomez wins this game, they'll be now solid 2. And also clinching the twice to beat advantage in the quarterfinals. If the Savage also win this game, they'll be placed better in a better spot. Out of bounds. Malakas. Soliman. Pops up. Pesarillo. Tagyam. Malakas. Out of bounds. USW ball.
1 minute and 54 seconds.
Nigero sa shoutout kay Giannis Gomez at Johnny Nicky. No good. Pops up, Pesarillo. 2 points Pesarillo. Kaya naman. Another round. Pesarillo, 2 points. 2 points Pesarillo. Eliang. Go good. Eliang naka-rebound. Piwi. Na-qualify na Felipe. No good. Okay, Pardo 2 points. 41 seconds remaining. Wow. Yun.
Ball goes number 6.
Jerry Garcia, number 6, called for the foul.
Tagyam.
Tagyam.
First
Felipe
person
for the inbound.
Second rebound. Giannis.
Felipe, saan pupunta?
Ball
Felipe.
by Felipe. For Giannis.
Iliang. 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 No pitch. Felipe. Foul.
There's a foul. Ball goes number 18. Aaron De La Cruz. First personal foul. Warning of penalty. Giannis.
Felipe, pops up. Wala. Second throw, Felipe.
Second throw. J.R. Felipe. Double. Rebound by
Okay.
Bautista.
Bautista again.
And to shoot.
Power move. Suleiman, 2 points.
Matthew Suleiman.
Suleiman, 2 points. Nakawala. Tagyam. Tagyam, 2 points Tagyam. Okay, that's it.
And then the first quarter.
First quarter matchup is finished. 24-15 score po nila. Laman po na siyam ang Giannis Gourmet. Stipulation is ball game. If Giannis Gourmet wins this ball game, they'll be outright number 2. Cementing their place is number 2, and of course, clinching the twice to be the advantage sa ating quarterfinals matchup against, for sure, Top Saigon. Sa kabila naman po, if Katasumim Sports will wins it, they'll place in a better spot. And possible with the matchup always Uri.
Comes the winner for the second quarter.
That's only hypothesis, gentlemen. Okay, balik ulit po tayo. USW, ang bola. Yan po si Mr. Sabado. I love you, Sabado, pati rin yung Sabado, pati yung Sabado, now to Mendoza again. Mendoza, binabang bola. Mendoza, hands kanyet. Hands, nangitan si hands.
Sabado.
Pass up, Mendoza, pasok.
Mendoza.
3 points, Mendoza. Kalisin also here. Kalisin. De La Cruz. Hands. Mendoza, 2 points. Okay, back-to-back field goal score now. It posted now by Qatar Sublimation. Of course, De La Cruz 2. De La Cruz 2 points. Tuktok sa ito, number wide sa baba. Hindi naman. Bilong ang bola. Madayo, pops up. Bang! Cross the ball. Okay, Mendoza. Nice pass, Salponel. Malakas nga lang. Kiwi. Foul. Foul, patayaw. Time out, Giannis Gumetio. Giannis Gumet. Okay, you're watching right now the game between Giannis Gumet and, of course, nandiyo po ang Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Before that, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Back to the ball game. Tagyam for the inbound. Oh boy, Why? Kalisin. Piwi, hop. Hop.
celebration ball.
Okay, kata celebration ball, out of bounds, Stevie.
Moving the ball, Pinky Salvador.
Sabado. Rote. Rote, 2 points, Rote. Rote barrels through. Mendoza against Calisi. Calisi. Had.
Ball goes to number 18, Mendoza.
Number 18, Mendoza called for the foul,
First
holding
personal
foul.
foul. Second team foul. Upon submission, going to the ball,
One ball.
Santiago.
Lost the ball.
Zero point Pamaya.
Foul.
Ball goes to number 6.
Jersey number 6, Tagyam
Taylor
called for the foul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul, Tagyam. Giannis commit first team foul.
Number 8. Then Pamaya.
Padayaw foul. Padayaw on the line.
Ball goes number 11. Sorry, number 20, Greg De La Cruz. First personal foul, second team foul.
Okay,
Giannis.
Padayaw, number 11.
First goal by Glenn Magala.
Pops up. It's out. Second throw, jump is ready. Padayaw.
Second foul, Glenn Magala.
No good. Rebound, Phoenix. Good ball, good ball. Nice one, Calisi. Nice. Hop. Nashoot ang bola sa partition.
One to ball, Glenn Magala.
Sabado, Pamadayaw. Rote. Sabado. Sabado, 2 points. Sabado, 2 points. Kalisin. Nakalusot, Kalisin. And to Tagyam, kapos.
Pass to Salvador.
Padayaw, wala. Madulas. Pini.
Pass combination ball.
West W ball. Delikado. Sumipil talaga.
Mendoza with the ball.
Rote, palpal. Down.
Ball goes to number 18. Second personal foul, third team ball. Pass
Mendoza
combination.
called for the foul. Ito po tayo yun. Kalisi for 3. Nope. Rebound, pero won't be Pini.
10 to shoot.
Pops up, Kalisin, 2 points.
Arjun Kalisin.
Turn around shot for Kalisin. 30-26 minute po score po natin yun. 4.8 now by posted na by team Giannis. Rote. Mendoza for 3. Nope. Rebound, De La Cruz. Kalisin. David. Nice one by Tagyam. Nice training job by Tagyam. Padayaw. Mendoza, easy shot. No! Uy! Wow!
Ball goes to number 16, Kalisin. Please clear.
Okay, please clear po tayo yun. Biggie Will Vaz is watching. Jadder is watching. Ataf Kamal is watching. Miss JJ is watching. Madam Catherine is also watching. Ating business manager. Jenny Pineda is watching. Dylan Buharin is watching. Miss J is watching again. At marami pa ba? Balik muli po tayo. Mendoza pa inbound. Mendoza inbound. Bautista. Ayun. Suliman. Pops up. Ayaw. Pops up. Forwarding shot. Wala ka. Ako niya. Patigil. Against Bautista. RG1. Nawala ang bola. Bautista. Janas. Pops up. Malangas. Again, Elian. Mendoza. Wrap around play. No good. Patigil. 2 points. 34-28. Naman po ng 6 minuto ang team. Janas Gomez. Felipe. 2 points, Felipe. 2 points, Felipe. Amboya is watching. Sir Mark Anthony Amboya. Marwang Kalanga is watching. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Ilian. Felipe again. Pagpal. Bautista. Again, 2 points na lang kalamang muli ng Janas Gomez. Pops up. Gets away. Run, 3 points. RD1, 3 points. Suliman.
Well, that's number 26.
Number 26, Lorena called for the foul. Inbounding si Felipe. Felipe for the inbound. Elian. Elian, go! Patigil! 2 points. Patigil 2 points, 39-32. 2 minutes 6. Felipe! Oh! Foul! Foul committed. 2 minutes to remaining. Second quarter action. Janas Gomez penalty situation. Okay, ito na yung ano. Yung stakeholder naman ng Miles Gun. Rotate, gabi. Okay. Felipe. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready.
Second throw, KR Felipe.
Felipe, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Felipe, second free throw. Pops up. Wala. One more time. Early entry. Isa pa daw, sabi, isa pa daw. Pops up. It's it. Okay, bank shot. Patigil. Velasco. Pops up, Lorena. Malakas. Velasco again. Foul, Felipe. Foul po, Don Felipe.
Jersey number 22.
Jersey number 22, Felipe.
Warning of penalty.
Pasigil. Look, it's Acuña. Pops up. Look. Suliman. Pinapaba ang bola. Bautista. Suliman, 2 points. Matt Suliman, 2 points. Again now to Mr. RD1. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Nakuha ni Batiin. Suliman. Goal! Lost the ball. Sayang. Janas ball again. Patikin. Binababa ang bola. Patikin. Pops up. 2 points. Look. Rebound by Acuña. Patikin. RD1. Velasco. 2 points. Velasco 2 points. The big man from Janas. Still completed and 3-on-1 situation, 2 points. Balikin 2 points, 31 seconds remaining. Mendoza, no. Rebound, ayun. 2 points. JP pala rin. JP. Acuña! No. Okay, that's it. Sa ating after 2 quarters naman po ng 6 ang Janas Gourmet.
Spicy sa kanal ng cheesy. JT!
Talo.
Point guard nila. Wala pa yung point guard.
Okay, ano po tayo ha? Hanap buhay muna tayo. Una po, ito po ang Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Taste essence of Thailand, Vietnamese and the Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po and vegan options are available. Open daily po kami and for details and reservations, just call the number 974-307-9888 and 9. Yan po ang Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. You're watching right now the second game between Oryx and Janas Gourmet. Placing po ito kung sino pag gusto bang naman nanalo po, malalagay po sa mas magandang posisyon sa quarterfinals. Okay, ito po yan ha. Ito po ang biligan ng sikat, PSB Basketball League. I'm going to take the following sponsors. McDonald's MC Cargo. Nandiyan po ang Dagno Bishani, Janas Gourmet, Janas Basketball Team, Winas Apparel. Nandiyan po ang Hukap Qatar, HP Cakes, JPEX TV. And of course, nandiyan po ang ating mga sponsors din po, si Iowa Nation, si Nagdisol Media, and si Mason Christopher Oguk. You're watching right now, second game po between Janas Gourmet and QSSW.
Nakita ko. Bumili lang ng kotse.
Pero pag oras na ano yan, pag mahal-mahal ka yan, saka
Hindi ka pa tawagan ka pa niya sa bahay.
pwede pa.
Kita ako first quarter, tamba ka na.
Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo.
Wala.
Okay, Janet's ball.
Last ball.
James. Okay, there's the pops up. Foul! Sumabit. Para mapapalibig siya. Okay, sila bang call for a foul. De La Cruz 20, shooting for 2. Pops up. Okay, pasok po yan. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second ball by Greg De La
Pops
Cruz.
up. It is
Again.
both basket made.
On the ball, Ricky Sabado.
Sabado. Badayaw. Sabado. Intercepted. May patigil. Pahardo. 2 points Pahardo. Still. Rote. Sa ilalim. Palpal. Pero may foul. Ginamitan ng tangkad. Nice one by Rote.
Offense number 20.
Number
De La
20.
Cruz.
De La Cruz called for a foul.
First team foul.
Rote number 10 shooting for 2.
First ball by
Pops up
Greg De La
Rote
Cruz.
out. 10 na po kalamangan po na Janus Gourmet. Rote second throw.
Second ball by Rote.
Pops up. Wala. Rebound TV. Batigin! 2 points Batigin. Walang takot sa batang Batigin. 9-0-1 yun. Carbonell. Back to Rote. Rote. 2 points Rote. 2 points Mr. Rote. Nice one! Nice one by Corbonel from Sabado. 49-41. Laman ng 8 po ang ating Janas Gomay. Okay, the Demolition Man, Aero de la Cruz. Pops up, no, it's PB. Malakas! And no, okay, lost the ball. Use one. USW ball. Carbonel, labas muna. Good game kay Carbonel, patayaw. Mendoza, pinalo muna kay Carbonel. Rote, malakas. Rote shooting for 2.
De la Cruz, first one foul, second team foul, Janas.
Okay, Rote ba kayo yun?
First foul by Denver Benny.
Ha? Ako Kyrie yun, di ba? Yung si Rote. So. Kyrie ba? I mean,
Second foul by
pero
Water.
Kyrie, hindi. Okay.
Basket by Water.
Aki kong.
43-49, which was for
Ano ba yun? Wait, Demolition Man. Foul!
ball is coming for the wall. So the wall. Timeout, Janas.
Timeout, Janas Gomay. The score right is 49-42. Lamang po ng 7 ang Janas Gomay. 7 minutes 55 remaining sa ating larong ito. Okay, ano po tayo? Maghahanap buhay muna po tayo. Una po, come from Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant. Taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food made delight at Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant. Kid-friendly and vegan option available. Open daily po. And exactly, the code numbers 974-377-999, 307-9888, and 9. Race Animas. Pops up. No good. Lost the ball. Mendoza. For 3. No. Rebound. Erdo. Foul. Sabado. Nice foul. Ano siya? Tagong. Umina. May pasok doon.
Ball is coming for
Pinalaro
the
lang kaya ito
wall.
sabi ko.
First one foul, third
Baby
team
shoot.
foul. First foul by Baby.
Meron. Pag ina may shooting na.
Second foul by Baby.
Suleiman, labas muna para kay Carbonel.
Back the ball, Berlin to Sabado.
Sabado. Nice one. 2 points. Philippines. Patayo, 2 points. Pardo. Patikin. Pardo. 2 points. Sana. No,
To Sabado.
Rote. 2 points, Rote. Nakauna po na 5 muli po ang ating Janas Gomay. Okay, now, Gilasto, tinatawag dumuli. Patigin, no, it's De La Cruz. Trademark shot din lang po. Padayaw, pops up, look, rebound, Carbonell, patayo mo na isang tao. Padayaw, fadeaway shot, no good. Hoy! Okay, fine. Napasok na yung goal. Bautista. Pass kay Rote. Rote, sa lalim, palpal. Rote ulit, 3 points. 2 points Rote. Parang kahit kabahay si Rote na lang. Kahit balik na lang. Rote. Galing na yan. Galing roster yan. Champion team po ng Premier League dati. Second play. Basket made.
Ball number 8, Carbonell. Carbonell, first personal foul, running goal penalty. Qatar Foundation. One shot by Fajardo.
Ardo. Pops up. It's out. Mataya. Bautista. Kick pass kay Mendoza. Pops up for 3. Bang! Okay, apat na lang po kalamangan ng Giannis Dumay. Pops up. May sarili. No! Bautista. Rote again. Rote. Rote. Hook shot. No good. Rebound. Velasco. Padayaw. Wala. Patikin.
Hindi talaga masusubal-pal.
Back to the red. Pakistan with the ball.
Again, walo kalamangan naman ng Giannis Dumay. Dorenia. Look. Okay, balik ulit po tayo kang Kalisin. Kalisin binaba ang bola. Kalisin. Hop! Buntik na. Hey! Out of bounds. Pops up Rote. Malakas. Rebound. Sayang.
Giannis ball. Winning ball by Giannis.
3 minutes 1 remaining. Lorenia, releasing. Pops up. Wala.
Ball by John.
Mendoza, Mendoza, minamadali. Pinakamad yung Mendoza. Apex. Rote. Mendoza. Pops up on 3. Then! Mendoza 3 points. 6-1-56. Lamang ng 5 na naman. Nakalusot. Foul call.
Ball jersey number 10. Edward Weather. Substitution. Penalty. Atas Sandanesha. First ball by
Pistarillo first shot, pasok. Second of Pistarillo. No good. Rebound, Padaya. Foul.
Ball jersey number 6. Robbie Picasso. First personal ball. Third ball, Giannis.
Second shot. Pops up. No good.
Atino. Tumakbo rin.
No good.
Ball jersey
Kamay na
number
close na
26.
foul.
Maclorena, second personal ball. Running for penalty, Giannis.
Padaya, rebounding.
Ball in the ball by Ben Padilla. Mendoza.
Out of bounds. Patas sublimation ball.
10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza, over the shot.
2 points.
Mendoza.
Apat na lang. Pagkat, eh!
It's a ball, jersey number. Ball jersey number 11, Lynn Padilla. Second personal ball. Penalty. First goal by Robbie Picasso. Penalty. Second goal, Robbie Picasso.
Pops up, Velasco. It's out. Rebound, Patayaw. Wala.
To Mendoza.
Lost the ball again.
Substitution.
Okay, balik mo lang sa Giannis kung may bola.
Substitution.
Okay. Okay, Sulaiman para kay Felipe. Patingin, pinatok mo sa patingin. Pops up. Lorena. 2 points. Lorena, 2 points. Eliam. Kalisin. Nice one. Rebound. Foul. Foul for sure.
Number 26, Mark Lorena.
Again, Lorena Pagprapa. Participation, Katasha Participation, Janas Cabello.
Personal foul.
Lorena, pangatlo na po yan. Padaya, trip to break po tayo.
It is 48-64. 6 points lead for Jonas Smith.
Oo, wala pa si Griffin. Walang factor, wala si Griffin. Baka may, baka busy.
First ball, Padaya.
Padaya, wala. Kaya nga kami Padaya, numbers ready. Pops up. Okay.
Patikit to the ball. 30 seconds.
Lorena, wala. Rebound Padaya.
15 seconds.
Suleiman, wala. Overtime, Suleiman. Suleiman, 2 points, Suleiman. Suleiman, 2 points. Wala na.
It is 65-64. 3 points lead for Jonas Smith.
Wow, masarap dito. Taro na sa Tuktok Saigon Restaurant.
Makakatawa ka kasi okay lang po. Makakatawa ko eh. Sunday kasi yun. Schedule namin ng Sunday. Hindi kami pinapasok. Yung guardia sa asphalt. Kaya, may booking. Wala lang coordination sa amin, sa security. Hindi kami pinapasok. Kaya yung 400 nila,
Okay, snappy po tayo sa final 10 minutes na gano'n ito.
Bouncing the ball for the timeout corner. A bounce celebration call.
Okay, nataso po yung support. Suleiman, mag-imbang. Roque. Suleiman. Padaya, wala. Walang pinasahan. Meron na push. Against Roque. Against Patikin. RD1 for 3. No good. Patikin. 2 points. Jolen. Tapos Jolen. Sabado. No good. Sayang. Nakuha mo ni Sabado bola. Rote. Carbonel. Swiped away. Still completed. Suleiman. Palpan. Ito. Rote. Naipit. Rote, foul. Okay, may pag-uusapan lang. Okay, may pinag-usapan lang. Mukhang possible. Okay. Si Hans, may sasabihin siya. for foul.
First one line foul on person number 21, Renzo Fajardo.
Fajardo called for a hands for foul. Pahinga muna siya ng 3 minuto. Chance to get the flow back to the ball game. Rote. It's out.
Team's withdrawal by Denver Rocket.
Isa pa.
First time passing.
Last ball possession.
Second term ulit.
Okay, answer pa. Hindi na.
Basa ng withdrawal. Unang toss. Dito Sabato. 10 to shoot.
Rote again. Rote. Double team. Traveling violation.
Dito Sabato.
Sakit nun.
All of the withdrawal.
Down.
Ball goes number 29, Sabato. Second personal foul. First team foul. Consolation.
Pinaknus. Rebound. Ayun. Nakabawi. Padayaw. 2 points for Padayaw. 7 minutes remaining. 6 ng kalamangan ng Jared Jumay. Lorenia. Wala. Green pa Mamonte.
Sabato.
2 points Sabado. Sabado 2 points. Okay. Dito kayo. Whoop! Cutter. Nakuna. Fajardo. Wala. Rebound. Fajardo mo rin. 2 points. Nice. Pass to play kay Fajardo. Fajardo wants to win this ball game. Cement himself as the number 2 sa ligang ito. No good. Magaling. Boy muna tayo.
Remains on 66 and 5 seconds. Condition score 66-74. 8-point speed ball. Zama speed.
Back to the ball game. Pero, malapit na nga, pamilagdan na ako. Hindi makapabay. Biko na, please. Mamaya. Mati pinasahan. Kali, super 3. Yun na. Takto rin yan.
Ball goes number 21, Renzo
Take
Fajardo.
3. Ilyang, 3 shots given.
Second personal foul. Second team foul, Giannis.
Uy!
First foul by Ilyang.
Second shot, Ilyang.
Second call, Benson Ingram.
It's out. Second shot will also no good.
Last call, Ingram. Rebound by Rivera. And shoot. Tumakas.
Pakita yung 2 points. 2 points back. Lumaya coming back from the 5 minutes remaining. 13 points being posted now by team Giannis Gourmet.
That's number 18, Evan De La Cruz.
Padayaw shooting for 2.
Second personal foul, De La Cruz. Third big foul, Giannis. First call by Padayaw.
Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second goal by first number 11, Padayaw.
Okay, foul pass made. 11 ang kalamangan ng Giannis Gourmet. 7-9-58. Balik yung 2 points.
Padayaw.
Padayaw 2 points.
Remaining time, please, 54 seconds. Official score, 17-83. Don't be points lead for Giannis team. Back to the Burger.
Back to Bogey. Bogey?
Giannis ball.
Ganun din.
Let me see 2 points.
Boston Central Young.
3 seconds violation. Sayang.
3 seconds, violation. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Mahaba, winning the ball.
Okay, lamang po ng 15 po ang team Giannis. They're looking now to cement their way now at number 2 sa ligang ito. And with it, twice with advantage in the quarterfinals. Kalistigin. Nakuha na.
This is all Malaya. DJ Sabah. Last 2 minutes.
Okay. Bautista. Good ball. Foul.
Walker's number 19, yeah.
Bigyan ko for a foul. Minutes 15 remaining.
22.
2 points. Greg Ramos 2 points.
Sabah ulit na ball.
A minute remaining. Out of bounds.
Last ball. Is the ready? 30 seconds.
Matayaw. Okay, that's it. Concede na po ang Q1. Ang katas sa Bemidji Sportswear. And welcome to the quarterfinals as a twice with advantage. Number 2 sa ligang ito. Yan po ang Team Giants Coliseo. Dito po, before we go, una po nahin natin po ang ating pong Tuktok Sagong Restaurant. Sabi.com, Days the Edge of Thailand, Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine, a bold street food classic, made in delight at Tuktok Sagong Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami and vegan options available. Open daily po kami at the core telephone numbers po, 974-3079-888. And of course, yung witness na po, yan po ang Giannis Gumay. And of course, nandiyan po ang Giannis Gumay dyan. At number 10 po sila. Bili po, ito po ang mga sponsors. And maraming salamat sa lahat po. Alasingin ka po. Natin yung alam yung fast correction. Yan si Paul. Naglang po. Supo tayo. View. Basta PSB View. Basuli. Maraming salamat po. And God bless you.